Hey, this is your transfer, just opened up at the minute. It's quite dirty in there, quite a bit of black muck and that around. Bearings are not too bad, but there is definitely wear in the bearings. Obviously the viscous is okay, you've done that. The chain, it's not terrible. There is some slap in it, but it's not the worst. Don't think the new one will be much different to that, to be honest. It looks like the running side of the chain, running on the drive gears, is okay. There's no embedding on the gears, so it doesn't look too bad anyway as far as the chain and that goes. Obviously I'll strip the rest of that down and see what the rest of it's like. Okay, so I've taken the drive gear out and the chain, took the planetary system out. I've just opened up the planetary system. Planetary looks good. There is some bit of dirt and muck in there, nothing too worrying. I said I'd just open that up just to be sure. That's the chain, obviously, drive gear and front planetary. The filter's blocked. Okay, so the actual filter screen's blocked up, so we'll have to sort that out. Just got to remove the output shaft and remove the pump. So the output shaft and the pump is out. The pump feels good. This is the non-serviceable type pump. Okay, so there's no service parts and no service available to do on the pump, but it does feel good. The output bearings out there. Like I said, the filter is blocked up, but case is empty. That's it really. That's it, stripped down in simple terms. Just case clean up and fit the kit that you want fitted. Obviously the kit that you supplied me is here, so we'll clean everything up and then we'll fit this all into it. Okay.